afternoon, everyone. We will be your teacher for this afternoon. I am Marika, and we have here is Miss Anika and Miss Kay. So, before we start our class, may all of you stand up for a prayer. And I want to ask Elson to lead the prayer. So, Cyril, you're acknowledged. one withdraws moisture air, evaporate, and cool. So then it forms a cloud. You know that the typhoon wind speeds are more than 120 km per hour, accompanied by the strong wind, rain, hail, and storm surges, and also tropical storms only develop in a humid place where there is a warm body of water, as it needs water to maintain its strength. So this picture is how the typhoon was formed. So part of typhoon, Elton, can you read the eye? Thank you. So as you can see, there is located at the center of the typhoon as it serves as the core of the storm or typhoon, and then in this part it is the cover region of it. You can see that this is the eye wall. So the eye wall is around the eye, and it has the strongest wind and rain. So in this area, the wind will go 200 miles per hour. So makita niyo no, ang eye wall na. Next is the rain bands. The rain bands is in this part. So the rain bands is in the outside in the eye wall in a spiral fashion. So these bands are capable of producing heavy bursts of rain and wind as well as tornadoes.
Do you know why the Philippines is prone to tropical cyclones? Because of its geographical location, which is generally produce heavy rains, flooding of large areas, and strong winds, which result in heavy casualties to human life and destruction of crops and properties. This is why it is very important to have sufficient knowledge of tropical cyclones for our benefit. So, effects of tropical cyclones, these are rainfall, flooding, strong winds, storm surge, and tornado. So, rainfall and flooding is associated with tropical cyclones, is both beneficial and contributes to the water needs of the areas traversed by tropical cyclone, but also harmful when the amount way too large, it can cause flooding. Strong winds surface with increasing in magnitude and is maintained over the time interval of several minutes to half an hour. Storm surge is an abnormal rise of water due to a tropical cyclone, and it is an oceanic event. These occur primarily on the shore or coastline areas. Tornado is a violent and destructive whirl accompanied by funnel-shaped cloud. This is produced by a tropical cyclone. So a weak tornado has a wind of about 64 to 116 kilometers per hour. So Miss Anika, you may take over.
Tropical cyclone winds signal system are the following. So ang typhoon di ay kana ang different signals, no? Ay different. Try different warning. So ang typhoon di ay kay kanang itong so una is signal number 1. So kung kani siya nga signal number 1 is dili pa siya disturbance. Yung category is the tropical depression, a weather disturbance in the area winds with speed of less than 60 km per hour. So signal number 1 kung saan ka makabantay mo, dili hangin na siya o ulan-ulan, dili pa kayo siya kanang uso. Okay na siya. And then, signal number 2. Una, signal number 1, and then signal number 2. And then, gana siya, ang wind rate ano niya is 30 to 60 km per hour. Unlike sa signal number 2 kay 61 to 120. No, so, subusog na siya. No? Oo. And then, next is signal number 3. So, kaganiha is kuan siya, 61 to 120. The signal number 3 is 121 to 170. So, murag pataas sa dako, magdako. Yes, very good. And then, signal number 4, it turns into padako dyan siya. So, typhoon na siya. And then, si number 5, so, signal number 4, muna siya matay nga, hindi tagin mo mag-evacuate. Muna siya matay nga, dagat ato nga kanang dagat na daot, no? Tornado, dagat ato nga kanang dagat na napikan. And then, and rainfall color-coded signal are the following. First is the yellow color. So, ang rainfall di when it comes to ang typhoon, natin siya ang color coding. No, dili naman siya ang color di kay natin siya kaya yung mga meaning. Kabantay mo kung kanang sa balita, ang sagara ang news kung bantay kanang muni siya ang color, ano nito nga lumrog, hinay-rap kay kanang. So, ang yellow di kung makakuha ng yellow, muna siya ang kanaang monitor the weather condition. So, need ka magpanitin ka sa kanang palibot kay kung hindi mo na siya and then, the orange warning, alert for possible danger and evacuation. So gusto na siya ang orange warning, no? Muna na siya ng signal number 3 na kanang kuan mo na siya orange warning. And then, the red warning. Muna siya ang sa signal number 4 o kayo sa signal number 5. Typhoon na din siya. Then, need na din mo mag-evacuate tungod sa kapsog sa kanaang kuan. Hangin, danger na siya. So, again, ako sa ito ang kuan. Sa ito ang 3 ka colors sa kanaang kuan. Rainbow color code. Yes. Very good. First is the yellow warning. Second is the orange warning. And the third one is the red warning. So, and then, now let's furthermore discuss the effect of typhoon. This picture was captured after Bagyong Sendong in Carmen. Can you describe what happened in the pictures? Phil?
Like a missing map. The house was flooded, the water was
Yes, very good. One, did you know ang mga balay-balay is kanang kita mo, pali siya, big na siya. Dayon, ang mga balay-balay, instead yung one, brown kayo ang magtuon sa kanang typhoon and then, destroyed na ang mga pakalayan. So, thank you, Phil. That was right. And then, what about this? Elton, can you tell us what you can see? Yes, that's right. Thank you, Elton. So, no, as you can see, ang kanaang one, we're after the balik sa typhoon. No, after the typhoon, look at the people na dito, nagtan yung damage, ilang balay, and then, halusa nila ang kanaang one, mga sanina, no? Yung sa kakusog, maybe ay ganang mo, siya isang book na red warning, no? Grabe damage yun na tanan. Then, this time, can you prepare 1/4 sheet paper and answer the following questions? Letters only. Dayon, also please put your phones at the back. So mag-1 lang, please lang 1/4 sheet of paper lang. Now start answering the question. So, now are you all done? Now exchange your paper with your teammates. Also kindly put for the side. No? So I will dictate the answer.